All right, everybody. Next up, we have our coquille course, and I'm sorry if you speak French and that wasn't totally right, but please forgive me. So on this, what we did is we have a base of beluga lentils. So what we would recommend doing is you have a couple of different pieces to this dish. We're going to pull off those microgreens at first and just set those off to the side. That's going to be our garnish in a little bit. The rest of this, what I'd recommend doing is pop the whole thing in the microwave. It's on parchment paper, so if you needed to transfer it off onto a pan to do in the oven, you can absolutely do that as well. If you're going to do it in the oven, I would throw just a splash of water in with the lentils just to kind of wake everything back up. If it's in the microwave, you're fine, you don't need to do that. So pop this whole thing in the microwave for maybe 30 seconds at a time. You don't want to do the fish more than 30 seconds. So what I'd recommend, pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds, pull off the 2 scallops. Those will be nice and hot. And then our 2 pieces of cod mousseline. So the idea is that we had 2 actual base scallops, or sea scallops, and then 2 pieces of this mousseline that was shaped like a scallop. So it kind of was a fun play on scallop dish. This is probably going to take, the base and the vegetables is going to take more than 30 seconds. So I'd pop this back in your microwave at 30-second intervals, kind of separating it out if you need to, just until it's nice and hot. Once that's ready to go, we're going to kind of take this whole thing. The easiest way to do this is going to be to transfer into either a bowl or a plate and just kind of slide it right off into that bowl so that your lentils are on the bottom of the plate. We'll dress this up a little bit so that our vegetables are showcased on top. You have 2 baby turnips that are really, really nice, so you want those to be right on top there. We're just going to create a really even base for our scallops and mousseline to go down onto. And we can place the scallops and the mousseline right around the outside. And then garnish with these microgreens here. So again, this is the pan-seared scallops are the ones that are a little bit golden brown on the top. And then you have the cod mousseline. So we recommend kind of going back and forth between the 2. Very fun textures, very fun dish to eat. You have the baby turnips in here for representing spring for sure. You have fiddlehead ferns, which are only available for a very, very short period of time. Fresh fava beans, fresh sweet peas, and then your beluga lentil as the base here. So really fun, very, very spring seafood dish. Enjoy.